Don't download Fidelity Wealthscape app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Fidelity Wealthscape app, stop for a moment. Most people assume it's a one-stop solution for all investing needs, but here's the surprising truth: it's more suited for professional financial advisors and institutional clients than individual investors. First, account access is a major limitation. Wealthscape is designed primarily for advisors to manage multiple client accounts, so the typical retail investor experience can feel confusing or overly complex. You want to find the easy-to-use, beginner-friendly interface you'd expect from consumer apps like Fidelity's own mobile app or Robinhood. Next, the tools and reporting features, while robust, are tailored for portfolio managers. Advanced analytics, performance tracking, and compliance reports are included, but if you're a casual investor, these can feel overwhelming and unnecessary. The learning curve is steep, and most people get frustrated trying to navigate the dashboards. Another key point is fees. While Wealthscape itself doesn't charge trading fees directly, the structure often involves advisor fees, account minimums, or service charges that can add up quickly. For someone managing their own money without an advisor, these costs might make the app less appealing. Despite these challenges, there are benefits. For advisors, Wealthscape provides comprehensive tools for reporting, trading, and client management. Its security and compliance features are top-notch, making it a trusted platform for professionals who need to handle multiple accounts efficiently. In conclusion, don't download Fidelity Wealthscape expecting a simple, consumer-friendly investing app. If you're an individual investor looking to manage your own portfolio, you might be better off using Fidelity's standard mobile app or another retail-friendly platform. But if you're a financial advisor managing client assets, Wealthscape offers the depth and control you need. The key is understanding your investment goals before you take the leap.